this is my challenge to you. If you like pineapple, I would challenge you the next time you go to the grocery store, go and look at the cost of sliced Dole pineapples. Okay, pretty good size, regular size can, because you can get that from this pineapple I just cut up. Because you see how much pineapple we got, right? Okay, and then I want you to go to the fresh produce section and look at the cost of a pineapple and compare. Already in a can, sliced up, ready to eat, or fresh from the produce section, and you've got to spend a few minutes cutting the hull off and chopping it up into pieces like this. And I want you to compare the price. This is how you save money in your household. That's the challenge of the day. And when you find out, post it below this video, because I want to see what you're finding in all the different places that you see this video. Today I went ahead and stopped action on my vinegar projects. I went ahead and strained them and took the excess food out and put it in the compost bin. But I wanted you to see the benefit of spending that little bit of extra time chopping up the hulls and putting the apple cores away to make some apple cider vinegar. So here is the results from my apple cider vinegar, which is basically vinegar from the cores of about 10 apples. Okay, that would have just been in the compost bin, would have just been waste, or would have been in the garbage if you don't compost. And these were the 2 containers of pineapple vinegar that I made. You'll see that one of them I've already just closed it up. Yeah, they actually taste totally different, which was interesting to me. One of them, this one on the right, with the purple top to it, is quite tart. Both that and the apple are quite tart, but you can still smell the essence of pineapple, the essence of apple in both those vinegars. This one here to my left still was a little bit sweet. So I don't know if I put a little bit more sugar in it than the other one or not. I'm not sure what happened, but I decided to leave it open for a little bit longer just in case it needs to ferment a little bit longer. It still tastes great. I mean, you may want to just stop action right there and just keep it a little bit sweet for whatever purpose that you would want to use in cooking. But as I was tasting all of these, and I tasted them all, and they're all very good, they have their own flavor. I would say that the apple one is one I would use when making salad dressings. And I just mix that with some olive oil and some seasonings and put it over a salad, and it would be awesome. And then this one in the middle, because it has that hint of pineapple, it reminded me of a recipe that I got from a friend for chicken adobo from the Philippines. Yeah, so it has that sort of tropical flavor that can mix with the chicken and the garlic and all those wonderful parts to make that chicken adobo. Is your mouth watering yet? And yeah, so I was thinking that pineapple, that hint of pineapple aroma and flavor would be a nice accent in the chicken adobo. And then this one here that's a little bit sweet, I don't know, I'm gonna let it just stay open for like another week and taste it again and see what happens. But look how much vinegar I got. And earlier in this video we were talking about that challenge that I made about buying a fresh pineapple or buying pineapple from the can. And look how much of a bonus you get when you buy the pineapple fresh, you chop it up yourself, and you use those peels to make something like this. Look how large this container is. I would say that's probably a good 3/4 of a gallon of pineapple vinegar, wouldn't you say? Nevertheless, just eyeballing it, it looks like it's probably at least 3/4 of a gallon of pineapple vinegar. And the other day I was in the store and I just took a snapshot of what it cost for some cheap vinegar. I mean, it was just in Dollar General. It wasn't even the name brand vinegars that you're used to seeing on the shelf in the store, costing between $4 and $5 for a size just a little bit bigger than this one. Okay, the apple cider vinegar. So I'm not going to put anybody's products on blast because everybody's trying to make money and save money. However, the vinegar that I saw in Dollar General was just your everyday cheap apple cider vinegar, and I'll post it and you'll see the price. And for just a little bit of your time and patience, you would get like 5 times the amount of vinegar for free. Are you starting to appreciate your home economics class from a long time ago? And those of you who didn't have home economics, this is your home economics class. Home economics. We need that. We need to learn how to save. I wanted to check in with you about the vinegars. And I started another apple vinegar today. And just because my first one was just kind of a test. So I didn't make very much of it. But I made a big, large one like these containers today. All right.